How to add or remove hardware device drivers on an offline image with DISM. Need to back up your computer or update drivers without going online? Well, Deployment Image Servicing and Management, or DISM, lets you manage and update system images even offline. In this video, we'll show you how to use a powerful Windows tool called DISM. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is the DISM? An image backup is a full copy of your computer's hard drive. You can manage this backup using a built-in Windows tool called DISM. DISM is a powerful admin tool used to fix or customize Windows system images, first introduced in Windows Vista to replace older deployment tools like Package Manager, PEIMG, ImageX, and IntelSefG. One of its main strengths is offline servicing, letting you make changes to a Windows image before the system even boots. You can use DISM to repair the image, manage drivers, remove files, adjust settings, install or uninstall Windows features or updates, and add or remove applications. When it comes to drivers, adding or removing them before deployment ensures better hardware compatibility and reduces setup issues. Adding hardware device drivers to an offline image. Before you begin, make sure you have admin access and your driver files are ready. To avoid duplicates, check which drivers are already on the image with the following command. Once you're ready, you can start. To add a specific driver, input the following command, and follow the prompt. For multiple drivers, put all the driver files in a folder, then run and confirm. In this command line, /image:/c/mount refers to the location of your mounted image. /driver:/c:/drivers refers to the folder with your driver files. If you are installing drivers in bulk, add the /recurse option so DISM automatically searches subfolders. Removing hardware device drivers from an offline image. To remove an old driver from a Windows image, use this command. Just replace OEM1.inf with the name of the driver you want to delete. After that, run get drivers to make sure the driver was successfully removed. Use cases and real-world applications. Using DISM to add or remove drivers offline is helpful in several real-world situations. IT admins can prepare system images by adding up-to-date, secure drivers before deployment, automate driver updates through scripts, remove outdated or unnecessary drivers to improve security and compatibility. Using DISM to service your Windows image offline helps avoid errors and hardware compatibility problems. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to add or remove hardware device drivers on an offline image with DISM, linked in the description below.